here's the thing. You have to master the hook. The hook sets the tone and performance of the actual video. If you can't get some, it's kind of like an email. If you don't get somebody to open it, like if the subject line doesn't get them to open the email, it doesn't matter if you're telling them inside that you're going to give them $1 billion cash delivered to their doorstep. They'll never see that because they didn't open the email. Just like the hook, they'll never hear your great information. They'll never hear about your offers. They'll never hear about anything you have to say. They're not going to follow you and find out about you if you can't get them to stick around past 5 seconds. So the first 5 seconds of the video, if even almost less than that, it's very important that you hook them and bring them into the content so they can actually get the information. So you want to spend a lot of time on this right here, and I've got some set up for you. So what I want you to do is I'm going to give you the 20 best hooks here, but I want you to go to your short form channel or your long form channel, wherever you're going to be performing this at. I'm going to be doing it with TikTok primarily. And I want you to go measure where you're at right now. So make it a goal that you're going to use one of these hooks each day of the next 20 days, okay? So over the next 20 days, you're going to use one of these hooks that I'm going to give you, and you're going to measure. So I want you to go measure the starting point stats. So over here, as you can see, I've got 22,500 followers and 77,000.2 likes. And in the last few days, I had 550 clicks to my website from TikTok. So I'm going to be just measuring that. This is the last 7 days, actually. So the last 7 days, 550 views to my website from TikTok. And so I want you to measure this so that you know where you started from. And then again, on the day 20, you're going to use this data to make decisions, because that's where we make decisions from, not guessing, not our feelings, not our emotions, nothing like that. We're going to use data, and then we're going to do more of what works and less of what doesn't. It's quite simple, isn't it? So that's what we're going to do, and you need to measure that in order to be able to do that. So let's jump into this first one here. Now, what I've done is I've given you, this is the basis of the hook. So it's showcasing a product or solution. That's the name of the hook. And then this in green is the actual hook. And then this is the definition of what this hook is designed to do. And then on the following page, I have an example. I've got 3 actually in the health, wealth, and happiness, which are the 3 core industries that we're going to be creating things in. So showcasing a product or solution. The hook is, I just found the perfect product that helps with, and then you're going to fill in the blank. So that's how you start the actual video. You know, I just found the perfect product that helps with bam, okay? So this hook immediately draws attention by presenting a solution to a common problem. I just found the perfect product that helps with, and let's take some examples here. I'm just going to do the wealth example because that's what I do. You can look at the other ones. So I just found the perfect product that helps with managing your finances and maximizing investments. So here's how I would actually do this video. I would take my phone and I would have it probably on a tripod, or I'd use this camera right here and I'd have a slide up. And what I would do is I would look at it a few times, and let's see, I just found the perfect product that helps with, okay, I just found the perfect product that helps with managing your finances and maximizing your investments. And I would do something like this, or I'd point over to the screen and I would draw them in like that, because my video is going to have the captions at the bottom, and I'm just going to be bringing it right away. Hey, and you don't have to be like car salesman. Hey, I just found the perfect product that helps with managing your finances and maximizing investments. And then you go into it, drop your 3 points, and have a call to action at the end. That's it. And it doesn't matter how long it is. I'm striving to keep mine under 1 minute, just because if I do keep it under 1 minute, I can then put the same, TikTok on YouTube Shorts, because they only accept a minute. And then I can put it on Instagram. I can throw it over to X or Twitter, and then I can go over to LinkedIn with it, right? I can put it in all those places, and I can be promoting in all those places at once. Okay, so that's how you're going to pull this hook in, just like that. Hey, I just found the perfect product that helps with managing finances and maximizing investments. Here's the first thing. You go right into it. Don't mess around. Just get it done. Keep it simple.